Hi everyone, it's 1:25 p.m. here in Vienna, Austria, and in the Philippines it's 7:25 p.m. So it's gabi na talaga sa Pinas, guys. So ngayon guys, eto ang aming lunch for today. So salad guys, mixed veg guys, ayan. Klasik-klasing dahon guys. So, magkambing-kambing muna tayo ngayon guys. Pero guys, gumawa ako ng schnitzel. Dito kasi guys, ang tawag dito is schnitzel. Actually, ito yung pork fillet. Pork fillet na giflatten tapos lagyan ng flour and breadcrumbs. So, ito yan siya guys. And no rice guys. So, eto lang yung partner guys. So, ayan, french fries and salad. So, eto guys, ang aming lunch for